There it goes.
I see it. See that?
You see it? Paisley, the dot?
Look, see it, guys?
Is that so cool?
Right there.
Look at the rocket.
It's going into outer space.
Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool?
Hope it don't blow up like the last one did.
Yeah.
To think it goes into space.
Oh,
Take
yeah.
a picture of it, somebody, without your flash.
I'm videoing it.
You are?
Yeah.
Good.
And she's
Oh my gosh, how cool is that?
It just looks like
You see it, Ricky? Ricky! You see it?
It's going all the way to outer space, guys.
It's so crazy, isn't it?
Hey, did you hear Danny?
How does it know to get up there?
Wow. Wow. Danny was screaming.
Whoa!
You hear Danny, Paisley?
Did I yell Danny?
No.
That's
Danny?
He said woohoo. Is my buddy coming to my house?
Are you recording it, Danny?
Cause not
Cool.
Tell it bye-bye.
Say bye, rocket.
Bye-bye.
Yes, baby, it's a real rocket ship. It's going into space.
It's gonna go bring the astronauts food. What?
Crazy how it's getting dimmer and dimmer. That's how fast that thing's going. That thing
It doesn't even look like it's so
loud
fast.
at all.
Look at the trail it leaves. It's going very fast.
I
Well,
can actually.
that thing's probably hundreds of miles out past the ocean right now, out in the ocean right now.
It looks so small.
Look,
They
there
said
it
we'd only
goes.
be able
Danny!
to 30 seconds, 33 seconds.
That was more than 33
Where's
seconds.
my
Do you know how long
body?
was it?
Why did my body say whoa?
it's 1 minute and 58 seconds right now.
Awesome.
I can still see
You've
it.
got it.
It's so little.
Wow,
It's like a star. Where's my body? Is my,
That's
did
so
my body-
amazing.
Did my body go inside?
You might have.
Whoa!
Going behind the tree.
I would have waited until it was
Here, you have to sit down.
Oh, 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 oh!
Daddy, can you hold me? I'm cold. Daddy, can you
Yeah, boys!
Can you hold me, Daddy? Because I'm freezing.
Yeah!
Danny!
Look, it's still going. Now it just disappeared. It just went out and went into outer space.